We're at 3155 Cornell Drive. This is in Gulf Breeze off of College Parkway. We're entering through the front door here. Directly in front of us, we have our living room and our kitchen. To the left, we have a coat closet. First, we're gonna go into the living room. So we have laminate flooring throughout the majority of the living space, nice vaulted ceilings, lots of good lighting through these windows, back door to our enclosed backyard. Turning around here, you can see our front door. Here we have our formal dining area. We have a double window looking into the backyard. This is a split floor plan, so master suite is on one side of the home and the guest bedrooms are on another. Heading to the kitchen, we have bar top seating, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Nice archway you can see to our front door there. We also have our our laundry room off of our kitchen space. So we have good sized pantry. Here is that laundry room and entrance from our 2-car garage. Next, we'll head to the master suite, going back through the kitchen, taking a right. We have tray ceilings in here, lots of good natural lighting. And then we do have an attached ensuite here as well. We've got double sink vanity, private water closet, walk-in shower, and garden soaker tub. So here is that vanity space. Then behind us, we have our walk-in closet, walk-in shower, and garden tub. Passing our shower, here is that closet. Goes all the way around. On our left is our water closet. Heading back out now, we'll go to the guest bedrooms and bathroom. So we're heading back through this dining area, through our living area. This is guest bedroom number 1 on the front side of the home. Again, laminate flooring continues throughout the majority of the living space. We have a good sized closet in all of the bedrooms. Again, this bedroom is on the front side of the home. Heading back out, going through our living room again. Heading left, we have a short hallway. This is bedroom number 2, guest bedroom. This is on the back side of the home. Very good sized space, window looking into our backyard. Next up, we'll go to bathroom number 2. Nice big vanity, tub shower combo. Passing a linen closet, and then here is bedroom number 4. So this is the 3rd guest bedroom. We have nice double window looking into the front yard, the front porch. Heading back out, we'll take you to the backyard now. So we're going back through the living area. Backyard is fully enclosed, great for kids and gatherings. Here is that backyard space. Perfect spot to watch the sunsets, as you can see. Heading back inside, again, this is 3155 Cornell Drive, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com.